Hello friend, I haven't posted any videos on the YouTube channel for a long time because there were a lot of things to do, plus there were holidays. May 9th, the holidays are over, we are back to work, to our working schedule. And what I wanted to tell you, what an interesting thing. In general, we started such a story with the acquisition. We thought about buying a microscope in a clinic. You know that I'm at work and I already want to improve it. At the exhibition, I met the representatives of Dentoptic, which is a microscope CJ optic. In general, we considered the top option. At the moment, it costs about 2,400,000 rubles. For me, this acquisition is necessary. That is, if someone is asking whether he needs a scanner, does he need a microscope? I seem to work like that. I have binoculars. This question is definitely not worth it because the microscope for me is an integral part of my practical activities. That is, I sit down for a microscope in the morning. In the evening, I leave it. Without it, I almost do not work at all. And I can't even imagine how to work without it, so I already wanted to say so improve it, buy something additional. At first, there was an idea to somehow supplement my microscope, because there are still options to supplement it with an iris diaphragm, a beam divider, and other gadgets. Put, for example, a more wide-angle lens, 4K camera, adapter for a 4K camera. In general, there is still where to invest 1,500 to add a microscope, and then you can grind everything with an adapter for an assistant, separate eyepieces for another 500, that is for $1 million, you can still push it. But I thought, why is it necessary when you can, in principle, take the last top CJ optic with 5 filters? There is immediately a polarization filter, a filter that shows the difference in the field, as it were, with an ultraviolet spectrum, where there are splashes and other things, green filter, orange filter, additional red filter, that is a lot of filters, plus the perfect quality of the lens itself, that is, I took it off, but it's just like a glass. And smooth magnification is also a very interesting thing that I liked. I don't click, but just go to the magnification to the level that I need. That is, you are not limited to this click, 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 but you just increase it to the point where you want so that your increase ends. So those who know me, doctors who work with a microscope, work on a daily basis from morning to evening. They understand that this thing without which it is impossible. If you consider a clinic, then only with a microscope where they work, or have your own such a portable microscope, well, without it, no way. The next point about scanner, I think this is just the thing that I can't say at the moment that it's super mega necessary. Well, really, I've been using it for how many years? With a full scan protocol, milling, painting, glazing, right in the clinic. I can't say anyway that the scanner is straight. Well, yes, it shoots well. Yes, it is financially beneficial and quickly pay. But the fact that it is such a necessary thing, no, without it, you can really work, achieve high aesthetic results through the work of dental equipment. That is, make templates. But you can take off the blind. Here it is replaced, but if there is a question of what to take, a microscope or a scanner, well, of course, a microscope is definitely here. It is the microscope that will give you the coolness of your work, the quality of fit, but not like a scanner. Have a good day. Bye-bye.